that I think you're really gonna love, and it's perfect if you are sharing a digital asset or product like this one. I'm using, for example, my webinar pitch funnel, because this is it's a Google Doc, and it's part of the email marketing tech kits. And in order to deliver it, I have to share this document with people. And I could add on here, like, when you receive this document, to make a copy. But there's an even better way to do this. There's a way to make it so that when people get the share link, this is what they see, and they automatically have to make a copy. And so that means I don't need any sort of annoying message up here that says make a copy or don't request access, because they'll automatically make a copy, and I don't have to worry about anyone being confused and having to email me and ask me, how do I get a version that I can edit. So the first thing you do is you go up to share. You want to make sure that this is on share on the internet with this link. Anyone can view it. Now, just to show you what those other options are: viewer, comment, editor, restricted, Sharice & Co. Just so you can see, by default, it'll probably have your organization. So you'll just want to make sure that you have it on anyone with the link. Okay, done. Hold on one second, because I want to make sure I copied the link. So once you've copied the link, and this is what your link will look like. It's going to look like this, but in order to make it prompt people to make a copy, we have to make a slight adjustment to that link. So the way we are adjusting this is we're getting rid of this part. So anything that says edit $USP equals sharing, you want to get rid of that. Make sure you keep the backslash, and then you're just going to add copy. And now when we open it, it prompts us to make a copy. So it's really just that simple, and personally I love this because now people know exactly what to do. Make a copy of this document, and it's already in their Drive folder with no added explanation. So I hope that this little tech tip helps, and enjoy.